We got the Cotton Candy Blizzard from Dairy Queen. It is limited edition, limited time. I believe it's only here for, April, the entire month. I know it's not April yet, but just about there. Now, Cotton Candy Blizzard. That's quite interesting to me. It looks, of course, different from the picture, but I'm sure it's still good. We got it. Let us try it. Bunch of pink. Here we go. Wow. It literally tastes like cotton candy. That is pretty good. It has like sprinkles inside of it as well. Fairly good. If you enjoy more sweeter things, definitely check it out. I would give it a solid 8, 8.5 out of 10. Let me know what you think about it.